Welcome back to my channel. We have hit 100,000 subscribers and I just want to say thank you. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to everyone who is new here. This video is kind of like a reintroduction. I want to say thank you to you all who have been watching my channel and supporting my channel since the very beginning. I recently celebrated my 4-year anniversary of when I quit my corporate job. I just sent in my resignation letter for my job. I'll keep you posted. To hit 100,000 subscribers around the time of my 4-year anniversary from quitting my corporate job is a major milestone, and it's just something that it really blows my mind when I think about it. I've been working on my channel for 6 years. I've been a full-time YouTuber for 4 years, and it's been a really fun experience. I always told myself when I started my channel, no matter what happens, I know YouTube will be an excellent stepping stone for a lot of opportunities, and that is exactly what has happened. So I can't even imagine what's going to happen going forward. I just know so many more amazing things are going to happen. And a lot of you reach out to me and ask me about starting a YouTube channel. I have written an ebook about my entire process, literally taking you guys through step by step exactly what I did to start my YouTube channel and have a successful YouTube channel. To be able to do this full time is not an easy thing to do, but once you get your rhythm and you get your niche and you just start doing your thing, it can happen. And I'm really excited for a lot of you who are starting your YouTube channels as well. Now that we have hit 100,000 subscribers, I want to show you guys my silver play button because I was very excited to get this in the mail. This is it, you guys. I wanted to show you guys because I thought it was just something so cool to have. And like I said, so many YouTubers look forward to this point in their YouTube careers. So I'm excited to display this in the background at my office so you guys can see it when I'm like filming videos. But this is just really, really cool to have. Presented to Parke Avenue for passing 100,000 subscribers. Crazy. Even though I celebrated like every milestone in my YouTube career when I got 100 subscribers, 500 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, I hit a milestone and I want to share it with you. 100 subscribers, 200 subscriber milestone, 300 subscribers. I feel like these are becoming regular things now. I hit 400 subscribers. I wanted to make this video because I hit 500 subscribers. Hey guys, I got some really great news. I finally hit 600 subscribers. I just want, no matter how big my channel gets, no matter how much I grow, to just always remember the people who helped me get where I got. Like right now, I just want to say thank you because I really appreciate it. 700 subscribers. I went from 700 to 800 subscribers in about 2 weeks. We finally hit 900 subscribers. I wanted to say thank you for almost 1,000 subscribers. To get to 1,000 seems like it's almost never gonna happen. And that's why after a while you have to just don't worry about the numbers. Like, appreciate all the new subscribers. I'm so grateful to you guys for continuing to watch my videos and share my content. And whenever I meet any of you and you talk about how you watch my content with your daughter or you like to share with your coworkers, like, that's a big deal to me. So thank you guys so much. And if you are new here and you're looking for outfit inspiration, you love elevated casual looks, you love outfits that are super cute but are definitely comfortable, then you're in the right place. And I'm just excited to share more with you guys every single week. So I just want to say thank you. This means a lot, and to be able to celebrate with you all, I think is a really, really big deal. A lot of people are wanting to know how to make it on YouTube, how to be successful, how to maybe do this full time. And it is really, really about consistency. There are so many other things, other factors involved, of course. And I do speak about that in my ebook, but consistency is the ultimate key to any success that you're going to see on any social media platform. Recently, I was actually invited to my very first YouTube event, and it was the YouTube Summer House. It was a shopping event specifically for YouTube creators, and it was exciting to be able to go to my first YouTube thing. So I really didn't know what to expect, what it was going to be about. And in my mind, I thought it was just gonna be like a ton of brands there and a bunch of other creators, and I was gonna be able to meet some of the brands that I might have worked with before or ones that I wanted to build relationships with. There were a few brands there, but it was mostly like people from YouTube talking about like YouTube shopping and the benefits and the features. When you guys are watching my videos, sometimes there's a little bubble on the bottom left. And if you click on that, it'll show some of the products that I'm featuring in my video, and you could actually shop through YouTube. Otherwise, I always have links in my description box to the pieces that I'm sharing. Those will always be there. But if you guys want to shop through YouTube, the bubble will be there. And sometimes I'll have more products in there, sometimes less products. It just really depends on the video. But that's also a way you can shop if you guys want to check out some of the stuff that I share. And while I was at the YouTube event, there were a lot of creators there. But as far as the panel went, there were a few creators talking about their success on YouTube and like sharing tips and tricks and things like that. So it was cool to hear their experience and, you know, learn how they also saw success on YouTube. Because let me tell you guys, everybody's story is different. No matter what, everybody has a different path to success, because when it comes to social media, there's so many different ways to do it. And so in my book, I share what I did to get to where I am, but there are so many ways to make this happen. The bottom line, and no matter what story you hear, anybody's path to success, it's about consistency. So that's really the key, but there are so many ways to do this. And on my way out of the event, they had these huge gift bags for everyone from a lot of the brands that are affiliated with YouTube shopping. So I want to show you guys some of the stuff that I got. It was a really big bag, and it was really, really heavy. And I had to carry this bag on the train and everything. Me and Winston actually had to split the bag up. But if you guys want to see more about the actual event and my week in New York, then go check out my vlog channel. So many of you are loving the vlogs, and I'm so happy to hear that. So if you do love a vlog and you want to see more of like behind the scenes of my life and like other stuff other than my sit down and talking to you guys videos, then go check out my vlog channel. That is in the description box. But here's what I got, some of the things that I got from the YouTube shopping event. Actually, one of the things that I actually am wearing right now is the Summer Fridays lip oil. I like this lip oil, and I love this pink color. At first, I didn't think that I liked it, but the more that I wore it, the more that I realized it was like a nice, easy lip oil to wear. And I love how fat the applicator is, and it's just a really comfortable formula. It is hydrating, but it's not like super, you know how a lot of these lip oils are more like lip glosses? This is not that. It has a sheen and a shine to it, but it is more like a lip oil, what I would think a lip oil would be like, you know? And as far as the clothing items, I only got a couple things that were clothes. The rest is beauty, skincare type stuff. But they gave me this favorite daughter crop tee, which I love. I have a favorite daughter sweatshirt that my mother got me, so this was really, really cute. I love that, and I love that it's red and white. They also gifted me these Spanx leggings, which I'm so sad about. They're way too big. They actually fit comfortably like in the thighs and the hips, but the waist is way too big. So I'm gonna figure out about getting another pair because I actually really, really like these. So I might have to just buy those. And actually, this is the bag that they gifted me, everything in this huge bag. And it's by a brand called Pop Flex. Everything that I'm sharing, I'll be able to link for you guys. If you check the bottom of the video, like on the screen, the bottom left, you'll see that little bubble, and you guys can shop any of these products if you're interested. But they also included this beach waver, and it's just a rotating curling iron. They gave me some makeup brushes, which I'm so excited about. This is BK Beauty, and I wanted to try these brushes, so I was really excited that they were included. I'm gonna show you guys more in-depth reviews in future videos, so if you wanna see, then stay tuned for that. They gave me this Fenty body butter. I love this. I buy this stuff all the time, so I was happy to see this in there. They gave me a few of the Pixie by Petra on the Glow blushes. I love a cream or liquid blush, so this is right up my alley. They gave me a few different shades, but I'm most excited about this pink. And speaking of pink, they gave me a Seishu All Day Cheek Stain. This is in a really pretty pink shade. I'm actually wearing it underneath my Patrick Ta powder blush right now. I really like this stuff, and I think it'll be excellent for like a no makeup kind of a day when you just want a cheek pop. And then they gave me a few Laura Mercier products. This lip glaze, this is the color Cream Caramel. I think this will be really nice, this gloss. And then I also got another one. This is lipstick crayon from Laura Mercier. So we got a couple of those products in there. We got some Fenty glosses in here, which I'm excited about. Miss Jellyfish, oh, this color, I was so happy they included this. Look how pretty that purple is. And they put more Summer Fridays lip oils in here, different colors. So I'm excited to try those. I got a Fussy Gloss Bomb from Fenty. This is one of my favorite shades. Happy they included that. I love Ole Henderson lip balm. I'm actually due for another one. The one that I'm using currently is on its last leg, so this is perfect. It's almost empty. And then this is from Beach Waver as well. This is the Luxe Leave-In Conditioning Detangler. I don't know anything about their products, so I'll see if that works. And they also included some fragrance. This is from Glossier. I'm excited about these because everyone talks about how good these Glossier fragrances smell. This one is in a purple container. It has like a purple around it. I'm not sure of the actual scent. And this one has a red ribbon around it. So I'll let you guys know how these smell. I've been testing out so many different fragrances, so I'll add this one to the pile so that way I could tell you guys like what are my current favorites. Another Ole Henriksen. This is the Banana Bright. Like this as well. I've tried that before, so I'm happy to have that. And then this is from e.l.f. They were actually at the event, and this is a lash extender mascara. This is a Neo Essential Blurring Finish Powder from Laneige. I didn't even know Laneige had finishing powder. So if you guys have tried anything that I'm sharing, let me know your experience with it in the comments. This is from Laneige as well. This is their Bouncy and Firm Serum. And Laneige has really good skincare. I've only ever tried their lip care, so I'm excited. Actually, I tried their water. They have like this water overnight mask. That was really nice. It was hydrating. This is another one of those Pixie blushes, the cream stick blushes. This is from Beach Waver. It's the Stronghold Hairspray, Major Moment. Let's see how that works because I've really been enjoying finishing and holding sprays lately as well. This is something I'm interested to try, and I forgot that I had it when I just washed my hair recently. So I'm excited to try this. This is the Waterboy Reparative Leave-In Conditioner Spray from Fenty Hair. And I haven't tried any Fenty hair products, and I love Fenty like as a whole, so I'm excited. This is a texturizing spray from the brand Lange. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. I don't really foresee myself needing a texturizing spray. My hair is pretty textured already, so I don't know. I don't know if I'll ever be able to tell you guys about that one. This is Tarte. This is like a lip combo. This is their Maracuja Plump Perfection. I actually really like their Maracuja lip gloss sticks. They're super glossy and juicy. I really like that. And I've never tried any of their lip liners, so I'll let you guys know about this one. And I love a lip combo. I love a gloss. I love a lip combo. And this is one of the Summer Fridays lip oils. Here's another one. So I think I have like all the colors right now. And this I already used. This is a fan and a ring light. I thought this was so cute. You just clip it onto your phone. So like when you're taking selfies or pictures or video or whatever, you have some light. And then it also comes in handy when you're doing like your food pics at dinner. That's how I use it. They included some icebreaker mints. That's cool. Bare Minerals. I actually kind of like laid off of Bare Minerals because when I remember like when the brand like first came on the scene, I was a lot younger, so I don't know if it maybe would have been like hormonal, but I had an extreme breakout to my Bare Minerals like foundation powder, so I kind of like stayed away from the brand entirely. So I don't know, I'm kind of scared to give these a try, but maybe I should. But these are some eyeliners in some really great shades. They have Sapphire, which I love, a blue eyeliner, Garnet, and Diamond. They just sound like really pretty colors, so I don't know, I'm like seeing if I'm gonna try those out. And then I have this e.l.f. Glow Reviver lip oil, which I'm excited to try because this color is like an icy bluish kind of a gray color. And then they also sent, oh, it's inside of here. This is like, do you call this an atomizer? It's like one of those perfume on the go containers. You like pump your perfume into here so you could travel with it. And then it also had this case that it came with. So that's great. Oh, I was really excited about this. Quince, they were actually there. You guys know I've worked with Quince many times on my channel, and I actually will have an upcoming Quince like try on for you guys coming up soon. They've expanded their products so much, and I'm like excited when I work with the brand and I see that they really are growing because I know I'm gonna be able to offer you guys more and the quality just gets better. So anyway, when I was there, Quince was there. They had an installation, and I saw that they recently came out with fragrance, and I was excited about that because I feel like fragrance should be a kind of thing that is like luxury, but it should be available for everyone. And so this is the one they gave me. They had, it must have been like 6 or 7 cents. I think they had a bunch, and the packaging is definitely given by Rado. This is really cute and it smells really good. The one that they gave me is called Jasmine Nuit. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. It smells delicious, but like grown. It smells sophisticated. It smells really good. And then I have another e.l.f. Power Grip. Oh, matte primer. I'm gonna try this because I tried the Power Grip, like the regular one, and that one is just, it doesn't do anything. I don't know. For me anyway. But everyone loves it. And then they gave me a Kenra Volume Spray, Super Hold Finishing Spray. I know I love this stuff. I like Kenra products. And then I also got this Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. I know this is popular with so many people, but I really wasn't that into it. But now I love facial sprays, so I think I'm gonna love this. I also got this Patchology. I didn't even see this. Patchology Happy Place eye patches. I really like Patchology eye patches. They're one of my favorites, so that's cool. But I did try the Summer Fridays eye patches recently, and so I love those too. I'll link them if I can. And then this, I just love this packaging. I don't know if this product is any good, but I love the packaging. I love how big it is. I don't know, just something about it. But this is by the brand called Being. I've never heard of them. And this is a daily clean shampoo. Daily clean shampoo. Okay. Nourish and Shine. It has shea butter and aloe extract for optimal moisture and shine. Dang, I should have used this when I washed my hair recently to see how it is. Okay, I'm gonna try that. I'm excited. This is from Space NK. This is a hand cream, like a little mini jasmine and rose. They also sent me the Coast RX Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. I'll try this and see how it goes. I don't know, Coast RX, I always felt like a little sketchy about it. So I don't know, have you guys tried any of the Coast RX skincare? And then this is it felt empty, so I was shaking it, but it's actually a powder in there. This is like a dry, it says Magic Dust Texturizing Powder. Magically adds weightless volume and texture to hair, braids, and buns. Oh, actually, I think I will get use out of something like this because I do love my, like my dry shampoo, and I think this is kind of the vibe. And also if I straighten my hair too much, I do like to add something that brings the volume back, but not anything like a wet spray because obviously it's gonna revert my hair. And then I have this like Scoop little bag. Oh, and actually he was there. The designer for Scoop was actually there at the event as well. So it was nice to hear his story. And then that was it, you guys. And I also got this huge bag. So I got a ton of stuff to like check out and review for you guys. So I will let you guys know, keep you posted. But thank you guys so much for watching. And I really appreciate you guys for being here. 100K is huge. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. You might be new here. Check out my vlog channel. You can see more behind the scenes when I went to New York. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.